Hey guys, Noah here. Today we're going to review AP Bio Unit 1 in under 3 minutes. This unit lays the groundwork for understanding the chemistry of life, cell structure, and energy dynamics in living systems. Let's go. First up, the chemistry of life. At the core of biology are atoms and molecules. Elements from the periodic table combine through chemical bonds. Ionic bonds involve the transfer of electrons, while covalent bonds involve sharing electrons. Then you've got hydrogen bonds, which, though weak on their own, are crucial for stabilizing large molecules like DNA and proteins. These interactions are what give water its unique properties and enable the complexity of life. Water is a superstar here. Because water is polar, it dissolves many substances, earning its title as a universal solvent. Its high specific heat capacity allows organisms to regulate thermally effectively. Plus, water's role in facilitating chemical reactions and maintaining cellular structure cannot be overstated. Now let's break down the macromolecules, the large complex molecules essential to life. There are 4 major types. Carbohydrates, which are made of sugar monomers. There are key energy sources and structural components in cells. Lipids. These include fats, oils, and phospholipids. They form the bilayer of cell membranes, store energy, and provide insulation. Proteins. Composed of amino acids, proteins serve as enzymes, structural elements, and signal molecules, driving virtually all cellular processes. Nucleic acids, DNA and RNA, both from nucleotides, store and transmit genetic information, guiding all cellular functions. Each of these macromolecules is synthesized from smaller subunits through dehydration synthesis and broken down via hydrolysis, concepts that are essential to understanding metabolism. Now on to cell structure and function. Cells are the basic unit of life and come in 2 types. Prokaryotes, like bacteria, are simple, lacking a defined nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. Eukaryotes are more complex, with a nucleus and various organelles. For example, mitochondria are the cell's powerhouses, generating ATP through cellular respiration, while in plant cells, chloroplasts convert sunlight into chemical energy through photosynthesis. These specialized structures allow eukaryotic cells to perform intricate processes that sustain life. Energy flow in biological systems is another key area. Photosynthesis in plant cells captures solar energy and converts it into chemical energy stored in sugars. Then, cellular respiration in both plants and animals transform these sugars into ATP, the energy currency of the cell. This flow of energy from light to chemical energy to ATP drives all cellular activities and keeps organisms functioning. Finally, homeostasis, the maintenance of a stable internal environment. Organisms use feedback systems to regulate factors like temperature, pH, and water balance, ensuring that conditions remain optimal for biochemical reactions. This balance is essential for survival and efficient function of all biological systems. And that's your review of AP Bio Unit 1, from the basics of chemistry and the role of water, to the structure and function of macromolecules and cells, to the flow of energy and homeostasis. If you enjoyed this overview, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know other topics you'd like me to tackle next.